Houston, we have a problem. Miss Rachel, do you know what the problem is?
We need to make a rocket.
We need to make a rocket.
Mm-hmm.
Our rocket broke.
So we need a new one.
We need a new one. All right, so lay out all your papers. Today is day 3. You should have a bunch of shapes. All right, let's take a look. What kind of shapes do we have? What is this one?
That is a rectangle.
Rectangle. 2 long sides, 2 short sides. Rectangle. Do you see another rectangle?
I do. It's this one right here.
Very good.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
we got a
that's
rectangle.
another rectangle down there too. A smaller one.
Woo! Okay.
What else do we have? Oh, I see 3 triangles. So we have this one here, and this one, and this one. They all have the 3 sides, so they're triangles. We have 1 circle. And what's this one over here? It kind of looks like a strange circle.
Looks like an egg.
Exactly. It's kind of an egg. We call that an oval. It's an oval. And then, of course, we have fire. We have flames.
Yep. If I took this one and I made it just a little bit smaller and made it even on all sides, what would that be?
That would be a square.
That would be a square. That would be a square. Do you see that?
Yep.
Now they're all the same.
4 equal sides.
Okay. All right. Our project today is see if you can use the shapes. Don't worry about your little flames there. We're going to try to make a rocket. You do not have to make a rocket the same way I make a rocket, but
Just
I
kind of
want
an
you
example.
to try to play with all your different shapes, see what lines up, see how you can make a rocket using just your shapes. I mean, you can kind of do whatever you want to make your rocket. That's kind of cool. But then I don't have a door. I'll put my door in there too. I mean, it's all right.
It works.
I think this is going to be my moon
Yes, I like that.
because it looks like a little moon. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that one because I do definitely want this to be my moon. I'm going to put that up in the corner. All right. So this is an okay rocket. I mean, it's doable. Let me see what other things I can come up with. Let's see. I could even put it sideways.
Ooh, it looks like it's blasting up into space that way.
Yeah. That kind of looks more like a plane.
Yeah, that's not quite what we had in mind.
But again,
But
doable.
Yep.
All right. All right. How about... All right, I think I'm definitely going to use this as like the main piece of the rocket. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece on. Do you agree?
Yeah. Yes. That would be great for the body of the rocket.
And I'm going to do it this way so it's like shooting
Ooh.
to the moon.
Oh, I love that. It's going to land on the moon.
All right. And I think I'm definitely going to use this as the top.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Flip that over. Give that some glue. And let's see our rocket shapes take form. All right. I know that that's going to go down there.
Yes, we need that power at the bottom. We need the flames at the bottom. Help
jet
us propel. Yep.
All right. Now, got a couple pieces left. Yes?
I think that would help with the aerodynamics.
There you
More than
go.
the other shapes. So I think that's the way to go for those triangles.
All right. So once you have them figured out where you want them, glue, flip, flip, glue. Guess it would be flip glue, not glue flip. All right. 2 more pieces. Nah.
I like that. That's it.
This
Perfect.
way?
Perfect. Yes.
And our door.
Yep.
Because we got to have a door to get in.
And you have to have a window to look out of. So that's perfect.
There you go. All right. All right. My rocket is fixed. I can continue my journey.
To the moon.
Would you want to go to the moon?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Would you go?
I would go.
Oh my
I think that's
gosh.
awesome.
Do you
yeah.
like roller coasters and?
You know, I think I have to get over that fear first.
Okay,
But-
I was just wondering because I couldn't do it just for the pure
Like zero
I would
gravity of
lose
it all?
Zero gravity.
Yeah.
I would get sick. I'm not
Yeah.
a roller coaster fan, and I don't know, Rachel. I don't know. Pretty cool.
I love it.
All right, you guys. That was day 3, Rocket Shapes. I will see you tomorrow.